We all need a good parts washer in our business, right? Well, I want to introduce you to the CRC SmartWasher Bioremediating Parts Washing System. Bioremediating means that this is a self-cleaning system that maintains the cleanliness of the OzzyJuice. Doesn't generate any hazardous waste. It's environmentally friendly. It's safer for the users, meaning that if you do happen to get a little bit splashed on your skin during use, it's not going to bother you. It's not going to hurt you. It's on wheels and casters so that you can move this thing anywhere in your shop or your garage that you need to. And the OzzyJuice, it provides a powerful cleaning performance. It's going to wash away any of the oil, grease, grit, and grime on the parts that you're cleaning in the SmartWasher. There's three essential components that make up the SmartWasher. The first being the SmartWasher parts washer, the second being the OzzyJuice cleaning solution, the third being the OzzyMat filter. The SmartWasher is equipped with a heating element inside which heats up the OzzyJuice to approximately 104 degrees Fahrenheit. The on and off switch is also equipped with a flow control timer, so after 10 minutes of use, the pump will automatically shut down. The green LED indicates that you're at a proper level of OzzyJuice. The red, it indicates that you need to add 5 gallons of OzzyJuice cleaning fluid. So it's equipped with this flexible nozzle here with a ball valve to control the flow. You've got a cleaning brush with thumb trigger on there, and it has up to a 400-pound load capacity. The OzzyJuice is an aqueous-based solution. It's non-flammable and non-hazardous. The OzzyMat contains Ozzy microbes that break down and eat oil, grease, and carbon-based contaminants in the OzzyJuice. The CRC SmartWasher is an excellent support tool to have around my shop. I think it's a well-engineered, thought-out, and designed parts washing system that works excellent, and I think that you will enjoy having one of these around your shop, garage, or business.